I mean, guys, if you could see this craftsmanship. Welcome to another edition of Yacht Life, and today we'll be doing a lot of stuff, and I'm not exactly sure in what order, so stay tuned. Let's go. Well, now I've got to take off the mid pipes because I got the long tubes, so these won't work out very well. The long tubes probably come down about right here, and I got to get a custom pipe made for the exhaust after that. So I'm gonna try to get these done right quick. Dirt and dust. I love it. That is my capless mid pipe. You see, right here was kind of, well, it's all the same freaking size piping right here. But as you can see, it's a little bigger, a little thicker. Well, that's where the cat would usually go on the mid pipe, and it's just all the way back. So that's the catless mid pipe. Can't really take out the other side because I had to stuff that in there. I mean, I could always try. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but you can always try it. See if we can get it to work out. And you're probably wondering, why does he have this towel on him? Well, if you don't know, the underside of my car is pretty filthy. Pretty fucking filthy. You can see that. I'm not about to mess up my shirt. So, this is a perfectly good tank top, and y'all probably can't see me right now because I'm black. So, there we go. Get some sunlight in there. See? Here. Alright. But let's get up under here, see if I can pull this one out. This one might be the tough one because this might be the tough side, only because, like I said, I had to stuff this side in here because I don't know why, but I had to. Here. And I'm hitting something. Yep, hitting the boot. Alright, I'm gonna try. Right, let's just move it up. Okay. Let's get up under here. Alright, let's try this. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get these wires, these connectors, everything like that out the way. I should really have on gloves, shouldn't I? Yeah, I should. I don't even know where they are right now, so fuck it. These out the way. All these out the way. Alright, got the towel on top of my head. This is hot. On my back. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm really hoping that drive shaft does not become a problem. Really hoping. So this side is pretty much set to be installed. I got the pump right there, the bolts over here. Gotta clean it off a little bit, get some excess stuff and dirt out of the cylinders and everything like that, but other than that, I'll be straight. And put this side on. Everything seems good. Everything looks good. Everything is back there. Everything is up here. Wait a minute. Wait the fuck. Wait a minute. Dowel pin. No dowel pin. And he took the dowel pins out of my heads when he redid them. So, got a dowel pin there. Got a dowel pin there. But I don't have a dowel pin. Shoot! What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Find a replacement. I gotta find something, or else I'm going to be screwed as far as putting these heads on. I gotta have. Oh wait, there's one right there. Look at that. Look at God. Look at God. All right, well, let's get this excess stuff off of here, and we'll get started. Off of here because it's not supposed to be there. The rest of this cleaned out. Get some paper towels. I think that side's pretty prepped to go. I've got the bolts tightened down. Got both MDS lift, non-MDS lifted bolts tightened down, so we should be good to go. I believe there's some shade on it. I believe it goes this way. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I try to make it look. I try to get things to be as OEM as possible when it's a possibility. So all of this is out of the way. All of that is out of the way. Nothing needs to even be addressed right now. I can actually plug in my O2 harness extension right here, plug this one in, and get this out. So let's do that. Get my Summit box. Let's go ahead and open these suckers up. Why can I never get these open? There we go. Paperwork and everything. You know they're authentic. Boom. O2 extensions. What these do, when you install long tubes, your stock harness won't reach the O2 sensors, well, the upstream anyway. So you have to put these on to extend them. I believe they're 12 inches. Hey, look at that on the box, 12 inches. They're a foot long. They give you a foot of extra space, a little bit more slack. That way you can install your O2 sensors. I'm not even going to plug in my real O2 sensors because I'm going to have those turned off anyway. So yeah, let's get it done. Here they are. It's only two of them, one for the left bank and one for the right bank. So I'm just only going to use one for the left bank, of course, so don't have to worry about that. Let's plug this in real quick. Well, god damn it. Alright, and we're back. So, let's get this over again. Damn it, I'm using the wrong side again. What is going on here? There we go. Just like that. Installed. Actually plugs into the O2 sensor itself. So the catless mid pipe that I took off earlier that was down here, I just went ahead and plugged it into the O2 sensor just to make sure that it actually worked. And it does. It fits perfectly. It's a square style connector. You have to make sure you type in either square or circle when you order from a Summit or from BBK or anywhere that just sells the O2 extensions by themselves for your year, make, and model. So this works perfectly.
Oh shit! Hey, good shit, bro. If you need
you want to, you can find me on YouTube and watch all the videos from like this whole process. Just like that, this episode of Yacht Life is over. Audi. Talk about clearance issues. Well, if you know a Hemi, you know that truck Hemis do not have power steering pumps mounted to the heads.